Hello, my name is Martin Hall and I'm the UK Business Development Manager for Business Applications with Ingram Micro as part of the Microsoft SureStep program. Today, I'm here to talk to you about why you should sell Power BI to your customers. Power BI allows you to easily connect to, model and visualize your data. When you're talking Power BI, it's about creating those memorable reports that really easily display your KPIs and are visually engaging, all while providing you with actionable insights. You can get fast AI-powered answers to your business questions. You and your team can work together easily on the same data. You can even work together with external third parties on the same data. Share your insights across the M365 applications like Microsoft Teams. How about I give you 5 key benefits of why you should sell Power BI? 1, interactive data visualizations. If you're into data like I am, you want it to be expressed clearly so that anyone can understand it. Power BI allows you to shape, transform, and clean data to suit your needs. When we're talking about visually expressing the data, then there are limitless visualizations available to you, and they can be linked together. If you've got a vision in your head on how to bring to life the data, this is the place to do it, even if it means embedding pictures of potatoes into your dashboard background. Who knows? Take it a step further. Rather than focusing on historic data, how about looking at the real-time data as well? Power BI gives you that capability. 2, open extensive ecosystem. One great thing about Power BI is pulling data from so many different data sources, even on-premise data. If I was to start listing off what data sources it can connect to, then you'd be skipping over another video before reaching the end of this one. But the point is 99.9% of the time, it'll connect to the data you want. Being part of the Power Platform, we can talk about integrating it with Power Apps and or Power Automate as well. And it makes it super easy to build business applications and automated workflows based on your reports. 3, securely protect your data. You may have already seen sensitivity labels appear in your Office applications. And if you're familiar with those, you can apply those to your Power BI reports as well. You can easily extend your protection and governance policies to Power BI, even when it's exported using Microsoft Information Protection. And you can keep your data secure with identity and access management using Azure Active Directory. Rest assured that your data is secure. You can even keep it safe by encrypting it, both at rest and in transit. 4, big data analytics. If you're working with large volumes of data, then it can become quite tricky to make sense of things, or it takes considerable time to manage it. With Power BI, you can leverage a no limits Azure data lake and see a huge reduction in the time it takes you to get insights, and it'll increase collaboration between business analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. 5, AI innovations. Why not take advantage of some AI to get some quick insights into your data? You might not have a beautiful mind that sees patterns or trends easily, or understand why there's been an increase or decrease in numbers, and that's where this can help. Use Power BI to help business understand their data by finding out what drives their KPIs with key influencers. You can even use cognitive services to analyze unstructured data and add machine learning by just a few clicks. I've given you 5 key benefits there, but that's literally scratching the surface on what can be done. Businesses that want great business intelligence should look to Power BI. It is, after all, considered a leader by Gartner as a business intelligence platform, and Forrester conducted a study showing a 366% ROI in the total economic impact of Power BI.